Good morning, students. How are you? I think that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. We, the teachers from Fatima High School, are on online classes. So, as a result, I am also with you, the students of class 8. Okay? So, I am welcoming you to my class. Get started. First, let me introduce myself. Me, Nazbunnahar Pauli, Senior Assistant Teacher, Fatima High School, Khulna. And today, we know that we are going to enjoy a class English. The subject is English first paper. And we are going to start with Unit 1 and lesson number 1. Okay? But before going to start this lesson, we have to watch a video. When there will be the video, please be careful about your audio. If you are not listening me, you can use your headphone or earphone. And in this class, we are needed English for today book, a pen and a paper. Clear? So, let's get started. As I am say that we have to enjoy a video. Before going to enjoy a video, please look at carefully the instruments which are used in this song and how many people and which type of people are listening this music and which type of music and the language of the music. Clear? So, let's enjoy a video. Okay, thank you for watching. And in this video, we have seen that the singer is using local language. She is not in the standard language, she is using local language. And we have seen this song. They are using ektara and dhol. Ektara and dhol. And they are the people who are listening. They are the rural people, the simple people, the mass people. Clear? And we know that this is a very simple presentation. So do you know what is this video about? The video means folk songs. Okay, so from this video we know that our topic is our folk songs. Good. And we are going to start a new class, new unit and new lesson. Our folk songs, unit number 1 and lesson number 1. After reading this lesson, we will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from the context, ask and answer questions, and write answer to questions. So these are our learning outcomes. If you read this lesson carefully, then we will achieve this skills. The first one is the keyword. Can you guess? The man is singing and he is using ek tara, and there is a picture of Lalon Shah, and look at their dresses. They are wearing traditional dresses, so they are singing folk songs. So do you know what is the meaning of folk? Traditional. In every country there are traditional songs. Folk song is a tradition of Bangladesh. Next number, musical. So this is related with music. Look at this picture. These are the signs of music. Whenever we see this kind of musical signs, we know that this is musical. So the meaning of musical is music related. Here is an example for you. Music becomes interesting with musical instruments. So what is the meaning of instruments? As we are talking about folk songs, so the instruments which are related with music. So the meaning of instrument is music related instruments. And here is another example for you. It is an art to play with musical instruments. Now look at the next number. We have to have some musical instruments and you have to guess the names of these musical instruments. So here is an example. First one. Do you know what is this? Think about that. No problem. Just think about the name of this instrument. Sometimes we have seen this on not real life. We have seen this in maybe on TV. No problem. Yeah, I think that you know this instrument. Think about the name of the instrument. Now look at the next one. In our town life, we have seen this and we know this instrument. Have you ever seen this? Think about that. What is the name of this instrument? Just think. Yeah, we know that. Do you know that? This is made of bamboo. So this is okay. Think about this. Now look at the next one. It is well known to us. We know them. So please check out your guesses. The first one, duta. Thank you. The second one, yes, piano. Next number, guitar. Good. And this is sarinda. Yes. In our English for Today book, we have learned it about the instrument, and this is named sarinda. So please look at this picture. This is sarinda. Next one, bamboo flute. Yes. When we are in village fair or any kind of fair, okay, then we have this type of bamboo flute. And the last one is very popular to us and similar to us, and we are very fond of this item, tabla. So these are some musical instruments. Now look at the next slide. There are also some another musical instruments. We have seen this before. Look at this string. How many strings are there? 1. So this is ek tara. Good. Maybe this is. Think about that. This is in Bangla we said dhol, but in English, what is this? Think about that. Now look at the last number. In Bangla we know it as behala. So these are the names. Please check yourself with these names. First number ek tara, second number harmonium, next number dhol. In Bangla we said that this is dhol, but in English we will say that this is drum, and the last number violin. So these are the pictures of musical instruments and their names. Okay, okay, thank you. Now look at this man. What is he doing? He is not playing on guitar, he is singing. Clear? Do you know him? Yeah, this is James. Okay, he is not a folk singer, but he is very renowned singer in Bangladesh. So there is the question, can you sing a song? Next number, there is a man, he is not singing, he is playing on guitar. And we have seen some instruments. Can you play any one of these musical instruments? Think about that. Maybe some of us know how to play on harmonium, on tabla, on piano maybe. And there is the last one. This man is also very popular in Bangladesh. He is playing on harmonium. Some of people know how to play on harmonium, guitar, bamboo flute, okay, saxophone, any kind of musical instruments. So do you know anybody who can play any of these instruments? Tell me what you know about him or her. If you have any friend or any person in your locality who can play these instruments, you can write about him or her. Okay. Now we have to know some name of our folk songs. First number, please pronounce with me Polli Giti. Polli Giti. Bhatiali. Bhavaiya. Palagan. Gambira. And we have sometimes seen that there are some people wear ghungur. We know that ghungur is tied on the legs, okay, and the people who sang on the stage with have you seen them any time? Gambira. In the northern part of Bangladesh, Rangpur, Nauga, Rajshahi, Chapai-Nabamganj, the people like the Gambira, and the person sings this song. So this is Gambira, and they wear hats and sing this song. The next number, Lalon Giti. This is from Kustia. We know that Fakir Lalon Shah is familiar with Lalon Giti, Jari and Shari. So please pronounce with me again. Polli Giti, Bhatiali, Bhavaiya, Palagan, Gambira, Lalon Giti, Jari and Shari. Now we are going to watch some pictures, and we know this man. He is, think about him, he is from Kustia. Think about him. Next number, this is a man, and his song is very popular in Bangladesh also, and he is from Sylhet. This man is also from Sunamganj. Do you know him? Let's check. Who are these people? First of all, Lalon Shah. Okay, Fakir Lalon Shah. We have heard the songs of Lalon Giti, and this is from Lalon Shah. Next number, Hasan Raja, and the last number, Shah Abdul Karim. Okay, so these are our folk singers. Now we are going to see the father of folk song in Bangladesh. Do you know this man? You know the name, but we don't know him face to face because he is no more now. But this is Abbasuddin. Thank you. Now look at the next one. Abdul Ali. Good. Now check out who is this woman. She is the daughter of Abbasuddin. So this is Firdausi Rahman. Good. There is another one, Akkas Dawan. Now we are going to watch another one, the next slide, and the next one is, have you seen him in TV? There is a popular song of him for the primary education. এই দিন দিন না আরো দিন আছে, এই দিনের নেবে তোমরা সেই দিনেরও কাছে. And he is very famous all over the world. This is our pride, Quddus Boyadi. So these are our folk singers. Now this is the reading time. Okay, this is an online class, so for this reason I am going to read out this lesson loudly. Please go to page number 2 lesson number 1, and the name of our lesson is our folk songs. Look at number B, please. Folk songs are songs sung in the traditional style of a community or country. Here the traditional style includes the theme, words and tunes of the songs that have existed for a long time among the common people. We have a rich history and collection of folk songs in Bangladesh. Of them, Polli Giti, Bhatiyali, Bhavaiya, Jari, Shari, Gambira, Lalon Giti, Palagan, and songs of Hasan Raja are very popular. The traditional musical instruments are usually played with these songs. This is our reading task. You can also read this lesson, and if you want to answer the next questions, then you have to read the lesson again. Okay. So first number, who usually likes our folk songs? In our video we have seen that common people usually like our folk songs. Okay, the people who lives in our rural area and the common people like these folk songs. Now look at number 2. Can you name some of well-known folk singers? Yeah, I think that because we have seen some photos of these folk singers, renowned folk singers of Bangladesh. Most of them are Abbasuddin, Abdul Alim, Mustafa Jaman Abbasi, Firdausi Rahman, Farida Parveen, Momtaz Begum, Kangalini Sufia, Indra Mohan Rajbamshi, Chandana Mujumdar, Rothindranath Roy, and the new generation. Okay, some of the new generation have renowned themselves as a folk singers. Look at the 3 number. Do you like folk songs? Most of the people like folk songs, but not everyone. Okay, so if you like folk songs, so who is your favorite folk singer? You can answer me the question. You can know the name of the folk singer. Okay, and which song do you like most? খাঁচার ভিতর অচিন পাখি কেমনে আসে যায়, মিলন হবে কত দিনে আমার মনের মানুষের সঙ্গে, মেবি, or হলুদিয়া পাখি সোনারি বরণ পাখিটি ছাড়িলোকে. No problem, you can write the names of these folk singers. Clear? Okay, thank you. Next number, that is the time for homework. Clear? Look at this exercise. Imagine you are Sohan or Sohana and you have a friend called Jamal or Jamila. Now write a dialogue with him or her about Bangladeshi folk songs and its future. In this lesson we had learned about folk songs and singers, but you have to write about the folk songs and their future. Its future. Clear? Okay, thank you. And that's all for today. And you have to be careful about the COVID-19. We will see you soon in the next class. But before the next class, please wear mask, wash your hands with soap and sanitizers for 20 seconds and stay home. Clear? And that's all for today. Thank you everybody. Bye.